Hi guys, welcome to the installation video of door alarm BA102D. In the packaging you will find 5 wood screws, 1 wall screw with its nylon cap, BA102D model with magnetic sensor already wired. You will get a key as well as a user manual. What you don't get, however, is a 9 volt PP3 battery. Start by removing the back cover first and insert a 9 volt PP3 battery. Then go ahead and remove the rubber band holding the magnetic sensors together. Take one wood screw and position it 6 inches from the edge. Place the device on the screw. Notice how it moves. Remove the device, you will find a double-sided tape at the back. Open the tape and place it back on the screw. Now it doesn't move. Now take the other magnetic sensor. It needs to be installed on the other door, but it has to be in perfect alignment with the one already installed. To do this, bring both the doors close to each other and by visual check, align both the magnetic contacts together. Now take a pencil and mark the location of the screw. And with this step, you have completed the installation of door alarm. Congratulations! Even though this installation was done on a cupboard door, it can also be done the same way on an entrance door as well as an entrance gate. These are some of the examples of installations done by our clients.